Lips are one of the first things people notice about us. They frame our smile, add balance to our face, and let's be honest, plump, healthy-looking lips instantly make us look more youthful and fresh. But achieving that natural fullness isn't about needles or fillers, it's about keeping your lips healthy, hydrated, and well cared for. First, let's talk about common lip problems.
Dry, chapped lips, caused by dehydration, weather changes, or licking your lips too much. Flaky lips, dead skin cells build up, making your pout look rough. Lack of volume. Dry, neglected lips can appear flat and thin. Cracks or splits, often due to vitamin deficiencies, sun exposure, or constant friction from lip products. Color issues. Pale or uneven tones can result from poor circulation or lack of hydration. Feathering and smudging. Lipsticks that bleed or smear are usually due to dryness or lack of proper prep.
So how do we fix these naturally? It's all about hydration, exfoliation, and nourishment. Simple steps like drinking water, avoiding harsh licking, and using oils or gentle scrubs can make a huge difference. Exfoliation stimulates circulation, giving a natural fullness. Hydrating oils keep lips soft and elastic, and proper care prevents feathering, cracks, and uneven color. Common mistakes to avoid.
Licking your lips. It actually dries them out more. Skipping SPF. Sun damages lip skin fast. Using harsh or drying products. Opt for nourishing ingredients instead. Neglecting exfoliation. Dead skin dulls your natural plumpness.
Now that we know the causes and what not to do, it's time for the ingredients that actually fix these issues and give you lips that are soft, plump, and healthy. Let's break down what to look for in your lip care routine, and then I'll show you products that bring it all together.
Step 1. Exfoliate and smooth. To keep lips soft and plump, exfoliation is key. Look for ingredients like sugar crystals. Gently slough away dead skin cells, removing roughness and flakiness for a smooth, soft pout. Shea butter. Deeply soothes and conditions lips, helping prevent cracks and irritation. Vitamin E. A powerful antioxidant that heals dry, chapped lips and protects against environmental stress. Jojoba oil. Mimics natural lip oils to hydrate, soften, and maintain elasticity. Why it works. Exfoliating boosts circulation, giving lips a subtle natural plumpness, while the oils and butters nourish and protect, preparing lips perfectly for color or gloss. All of these powerhouse ingredients come together in the ethereal minty lip scrub, your go-to for smooth, soft, kissable lips. Step 2. Hydrate and protect. Hydration is the foundation of plump lips. Without moisture, your lips will always look flat and dull. Look for plant-based oils, like sunflower, olive, or coconut oil. Provide long-lasting hydration, locking in moisture throughout the day. Unscented formula. Perfect for sensitive or dry lips, reducing the risk of irritation. Vegan and cruelty-free. Ethical choice without compromising lip care. Why it works. Hydration is the foundation of soft, plump lips. Constant moisture prevents cracks, dryness, and dullness, keeping your pout supple all day. That's exactly what the ethereal vegan lip balm delivers. Lightweight hydration with a clean, ethical formula. Step 3. Shine and natural plump. For that glossy, nourished look, oils are your friend. The best ingredients include castor oil. Rich in omega fatty acids, hydrates, softens, and gently plumps lips. Sunflower seed oil, packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E for antioxidant protection and hydration. Roman chamomile extract, soothes and calms inflammation on sensitive lips. Vitamins A and D support lip healing and maintain soft, healthy skin. Why it works. This oil not only gives a subtle shimmer for a glossy finish, but nourishes lips deeply, keeping them soft and naturally fuller. The ethereal, lustrous lip oil combines all of these for a nourishing shine and subtle natural plump. Step 4. Instant volume and shine. Sometimes you want results right now. Look for mineral oil, locks in moisture, preventing dryness and keeping lips hydrated. Vitamin E, speeds up cell regeneration and keeps lips youthful and soft. Active plumping ingredients. Create a gentle, tingling, warming sensation that enhances circulation, giving lips a natural, temporary plump. Why it works. Combines hydration with an immediate plumping effect, delivering smooth, glossy lips that look fuller and healthier. That's exactly what you'll find in the ethereal plumping lip gloss. Hydration plus instant volume. Step 5. Color and care. When it comes to color, don't sacrifice health. The best lipsticks use argan, olive, grapeseed, macadamia, and muramuru oils. Deeply nourish, hydrate, and restore elasticity. Squalane, natural lip plumper, softens and smooths lips. Mango and shea butter, lock in moisture, keeping lips soft all day. Why it works. Hydrating oils protect lips from drying while delivering rich, creamy color and a naturally plump look. The Ethereal Luxury Cream Lipstick is packed with these ingredients, so your lips stay nourished while looking stunning. Step 6. Definition and longevity. Don't forget lip liners. They define and protect your look. Shea butter softens lips while defining them, preventing feathering or cracking. Creamy, blendable formula. Glides easily for smooth application and even coverage. Retractable design. Convenient and mess-free for precise, long-lasting lip definition. Why it works. Prepares and protects lips while keeping color where it belongs. No smudging or fading. The Ethereal Automatic Lip Liner checks every box for precise, comfortable, and long-lasting definition. Step 7. Long-lasting color and hydration. And finally, for those who love matte finishes, make sure your formula includes the following. Vitamin E, hydrates while providing antioxidant protection. Silky, pigment-rich formula, gives a matte finish that stays without drying out lips. Why it works? Combines long-lasting, vibrant color with gentle hydration so lips remain soft, velvety, and healthy-looking all day. The Ethereal Matte Lip Stain delivers silky, pigment-rich color that lasts all day while keeping lips soft and velvety.
As you can see, healthy, plump lips aren't about fillers. It's about choosing the right ingredients, ones that exfoliate, hydrate, protect, and nourish. And the best part? You don't have to search for them individually. Ethereal's lip collection has everything you need for the perfect pout. Give your lips the care they deserve, and they'll reward you with softness, smoothness, and natural fullness. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite lip tip, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.